going to be talking about our Lolla Rosa variety of lettuce. Lolla Rosa is part of our apartment kit seed vault and can be grown in a container or in the ground. This is perfect for starting it indoors or having a container out on your patio. Lolla Rosa is a cold hardy plant, so you can get it started early, and it is perfect for multiple harvests throughout the year. It's a perfect variety for using the cut and come back method, or you can plant it multiple times throughout the season because it's got a very quick growth cycle. We went from seed to this beautiful plant in under 2 months. Lolla Rosa likes light sun to partial shade. So if you've got a very sunny area, putting a sunshade over your patio might be useful. This also makes it a very good option for putting it in a windowsill if you are going with the indoor apartment style. We love the Lolla Rosa lettuce because of the beautiful color. It makes a great addition to any salad, that little pop of the magenta in there. When you go to harvest it, I like to use the cut and come back method, which essentially is you're trying to just trim the leaves from the outside of the plant, leaving those small ones on the inside, which will then grow into the larger leaves to harvest in the future. So to do that, we're just going to come down and cut off some of the larger ones. It would be a great addition to anyone's home garden. Get your seeds for the Lolla Rosa from Survival Garden Seeds.